Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make chicken curry. This dish is so amazing, so kindly like my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to this easy gorgeous dish. So we're going to start off first with our chicken seasoning. So I have some paprika, salt, ginger, garlic powder, a bit of all-purpose seasoning. I'm adding some thyme. I'll be adding some curry now. I'll leave all the measurements in the description box below. Do endeavor to check that. And then we're going to add some chicken seasoning. We're going to mix that up all together, and then we're going to pour it into our cleaned chicken. Coat it and set it aside for like about 30 minutes or thereabouts. Now to our vegetables. I'll be using some mixed spices here. It's always important to season your vegetables. If not, they'll be bland in any meal you put them in. So cover that, give that a good shake to ensure that every vegetable is evenly coated, and then you set that aside. You repeat the same thing for your carrots. Now in a pot of oil, I have vegetable oil, we're going to now lightly fry our chicken. Just for it to brown a bit. Not that it will be properly cooked, but it will brown. Stir that, turn that. So once it has browned a bit, we're going to take it out. And repeat the same for all the chicken if you're using a lot of chicken. So in that same pot with all the goodness, we're going to add the remaining curry and the leftover thyme. I'm going to give that a very good stir, just like that, allowing it to release all its flavors. And now we're going to add our chopped scallions or red onions, whichever one is available works. And then our minced garlic and ginger, fresh ones. Give that a good stir. Fresh garlic and ginger is very good for this. Add some Scotch bonnet for some heat. I'm Nigerian, and for some reason I like a bit of pepper. So we're going to add some bouillon cubes now at this point. Give that a good stir. Add some water. Stir that. Add your white pepper, which is very, very important. This takes your curry from 0 to 100. Now it's time for you to add back your chicken that you had browned earlier. See how gorgeous this dish is. Cover and allow to simmer for like 5 minutes. Remember, we had already browned it before. Like your house should be smelling of heaven by the time you open this. So I went ahead and added the curry. I said the curry, the carrots, and the vegetables off camera, and allow it to cook for about a minute. Stir that. Now it's time to add our slurry. It was made with cornstarch and a bit of water, just to thicken the sauce. Fam, this thing was so good. Oh Jesus. And now it's time to add our parsley. So you turn off the heat at this point too, because the residual heat will continue to cook and you don't want your vegetables so soggy. Now look at that, fam. Look. This was so amazing. Like my whole house was smelling of goodness. I had mine with rice. So thank you for going on this journey with me, guys. Until next time. Bye.